Hi, my name's James Lennox-Gordon, on Twitter at JLennoxG, and my question is, at school we're taught that a moving body has kinetic energy, but special relativity tells us that body A that's moving hits body B that's static. You could also explain it the other way around and say that body B is moving, body A is static. So how do you apply kinetic energy to that environment?
So kinetic energy is the energy that bodies have because they're moving, and as the question correctly states, movement is all relative, so there's no absolute rest frame. All that's correct, and what that means is there's no absolute zero energy level in that sense. So if you have a body that's moving in free space, its energy is exactly as relative as its velocity, its kinetic energy. However, if you think of the context where kinetic energy usually shows up, for instance, the kinetic energy of molecules in a gas that's hot and they're all moving around, then there's no frame, there's no choice of rest frame, which is what you do in special relativity. You choose a frame with which to measure relative velocities. There's no frame that you can choose in which all the atoms in the gas will be stationary. So ideas like the total kinetic energy of that gas can never be zero. There's no way of choosing the frame for that to be zero. So for a single moving body, it's certainly true that the kinetic energy depends on the frame in which you look at it. If you look at the way that Einstein formulates special relativity, in fact it's formulated in what we call a coordinate transformation, where you move time and distance change as you change speed, in such a way that the whole theory hangs together. And that's also true of energy and momentum. So they obviously change as well, and they change in a way that's dictated by the theory. So it all hangs together, and you have things like invariant mass, which doesn't change, but momentum and energy do change as you change the rest frame in which you're measuring them. So how do we explain kinetic energy as special relativity tells us either a body is either moving or stationary. Energy can be non-zero or zero depending on what the body is doing in your frame. Energy is not an absolute.